everyone, this is Trent with All Things Automotive. Thank you for shopping and thank you for clicking that play button. Today you're going to take a closer look at our 2024 Ford F-150 LARIAT in a space gray exterior with just under 9,000 miles. This LARIAT does feature a 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost engine. It is four-wheel drive and it also has a clean CARFAX with one previous owner. In the front, you will see this F-150 is well equipped with high intensity headlights, LED daytime running lights, a front camera with front proximity sensors, fog lights, and front tow hooks. Coming around to the wheel and tire setup, looks like we'll have a 20-inch alloy wheel wrapped up in a like new all-terrain tire. And we'll get into the exact tread depth here in just a moment. On the outside, you'll enjoy nice features like chrome running boards, chrome mirror caps. You also have turn signal indicators integrated right near the end. You will have LED lights down below with side cameras, followed up with passive door entry. And on the reverse side, you will see that these mirrors are equipped with a blind spot monitor. Looking inside, you'll be met with a black on black theme here with nice elements such as leather, stitching, some nice fabric here, brushed aluminum, faux wood grain, and a touch of chrome. Really nice setup here in this LARIAT. And as you can see, that will continue throughout the entire interior of this F-150. And once inside, you'll be kept comfortable by these heated and cooling front seats. Again, leather upholstery with that brown piping and stitching. And you will have power adjustments on both the passenger and the driver's side. Additionally, located in the glove box of all of our vehicles, you will find the multi-point inspection report. Here you can see all the tires are 10-30 seconds. All the way around, the brake pads are good to go, and everything else is green, checked off by our technicians. And guys, we do that so you don't have to put money into the wearables shortly after purchasing here at All Things Automotive. Looking into the back seat, plenty of space for your rear passengers, and they'll also enjoy nice features like a flow-through center console, 12-volt outlet followed up with a USB and a 120 outlet and some ambient lighting, storage on the backing of the seats, a fold-down cup holder and armrest, and a powered rear sliding glass. Bringing our attention to the 5.5-foot bed. This vehicle does not have a drop-in bed liner or a spray-in bed liner. Probably could benefit. You can order that right here at our parts store at All Things Automotive. You will notice though, you do have a 120 outlet here in the back. Here you have your LED reverse lights and rear camera. And down below you do have your towing equipment, like your hookups here and your hitch receiver and your rear proximities. Making our way to the driver door, you will notice your keypad entry. Again, passive door entry here. And then on the driver's side door, you'll notice all your powered options such as power windows, door locks up top with memory seating. As you can see, you have up to 3 profiles. And here you do have your power adjustable mirrors, and that does include power folding. To the left of the steering wheel, you'll have some lighting options for those mirrors, followed up with your tailgate release. You also have a cargo lamp followed up with a general lamp selection and brightness and dimming controllers for your interior and cluster lighting. You also have an electronic parking brake and power adjustable foot pedals. And here on the steering wheel, you will notice this F-150 LARIAT is equipped with a power telescoping and tilting wheel. Additionally, here at All Things Automotive, you will receive 2 keys for your added convenience. And if you don't see one pictured in the photos, one is being made as we speak. And as you can see, this key fob is equipped with lock, unlock, remote start, tailgate release, and panic. And upon start up here in the middle, you can see just under 9,000 miles. And as far as steering wheel mounted controls are concerned, you'll have some adaptive cruise control selections, and you do have the capability to pair your phone via Bluetooth and be hands-free. To the right, you'll have a selector for that screen and some media options as far as seek. And bringing our attention to our large display here, as you can see, this F-150 LARIAT is equipped with onboard navigation. So you have your screen right here, you have some off-road information here. As you can see, you can toggle through and you can customize all that, reset your view. Okay, as far as audio is concerned, you will have your standard AM, FM, XM radio, and Bluetooth connectivity, and you'll also have smartphone integration such as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Before we go down below, I did want to mention this F-150 is equipped with B&O premium sound. You will have auto start and stop. You can disable and enable that right here. Camera options for your front camera. So if you want to engage your front camera, as you can see, you do have your bird's eye view without putting the vehicle into reverse, which I really like, helpful in some situations. You have your park assist here, 4 ways, and your traction control on and off. Down below, you will have some hard radio buttons if you choose not to mess with that on the screen. And your dual automatic climate control keeps either side comfortable, complete with heated and cooling front seats with a heated steering wheel. Over here, you'll stay connected and charged at all times, and this is great for campsites or if you need to plug in something small. 120 outlet followed up with a 12 volt. Nice hideaway storage with the USB, USB-C, again ambient lighting, drive mode selector with your four-wheel drive selections. And here you will have your nice sport shifter here, so that'll go right down in that little cavity. It'll recess right into there, and then you can come back up. You have your manual shifter on this side as well, 2 cup holders, and a nice deep storage console here, as you can see, with removable trays for cleaning. Bringing our attention up top, it doesn't stop. You have integrated garage door openers, and you can program up to 3. Nice storage for your sunnies, bright LED map lights, and controls for your powered rear sliding glass. So at this point, we're going to go ahead and take a look under the hood. Under the hood, you will have a 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost engine. As you can see, very clean, no evidence of exhaust leaks or oil leaks or anything of that nature. No corrosion on the battery terminals. Our crew always does a fantastic job of making these vehicles ready for the next buyer. And along with that multi-point inspection, this F-150 has received a fresh oil change, new cabin air filter, and a fresh Pennsylvania State inspection. Now, if you're still watching, guys, you might just be interested in this F-150. So this portion is for you. Again, space gray exterior here, really nice color. This is where I'll go over any dings, dents, or imperfections you may or may not find on this vehicle. Again, 2024, just under 9,000 miles, practically brand new. So not going to be a lot to go over here. Front of the hood, no stone chips, no blemishes. Chrome trim here in the front, it's really nice shape. Headlights are nice and clear, along with your fog lights, all the way down to your lower bumper and your black pieces, like your moldings. No fading, no discoloration, so super clean here in the front, guys. Coming around the wheel and tire setup, no curb rash, no peeling of that chrome. Badges are like new. And then here you will have some blemishes here on the chrome mirror cap, as you can see. Coming around to the door handles, again, chrome trim, very good shape, minimal scuffing here on the high gloss black door trim pieces on the outer portion. And looking into your passenger side door card, might have a small blemish there. Other than that, you will have some scuffs and scratches on the hard plastic on the passenger side door card. Looking inside to all your trim pieces here, you have a couple different dash options here. You have an upper and a lower, but all your trim pieces are in great shape. Let's take a look at these leather seats, guys. No rip stains, tears. Headliner's clear of any rip stains, tears, and no odors, guys. Super important here at All Things Automotive. Last owner was not a smoker, so smells brand new. Nice clean carpeted floor mats. No scuffs on the backing of the seats. And then around your flow-through center console and your outlets, very good shape. Then your leather seats in the back are in great shape as well. Coming around to the bed here, one is still on the passenger side, no dents or dings in the vehicle body. And as you can see, those bright LED taillights are shining through because there's no cracks, no condensation, no hazing, no fading. Guys, no dents or dings into the rear bumper. Mirror-like finish. No oxidation or anything like that on that chrome. Again, 2024, just under 9,000 miles. Coming up the driver's side, no dents or dings to the vehicle body. Wheels are in great shape. Not a lot to go over here, guys. If you have any questions on this F-150, please give us a call at All Things Automotive, 717-485-4224. Hit option 3 for sales. Additionally, you can shop online 24/7. You can even get yourself pre-approved. It's a super easy process. It only takes about 10 minutes of your time. And guys, make sure you ask your sales consultants about extended coverage because this F-150 will qualify. So we hope to see you here at 21518 Great Cove Road, McCallsburg, Pennsylvania. Again, my name is Trent. I hope you found this video informational. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.